Now we're coming through the town of Orlando. I'm going to take you to the place where someone that recently, a few years back, really did get his ear cut off. If the legend wasn't so about the other guy, it's for sure that this one is true. I saw it with my own eyes. I don't really like coming down here to this railroad track because after looking at the picture and seeing what I did, it left a bad delusion in my mind. But that's where we're headed now. Where the Brigham Hill Road railroad track leads further down towards this way. It so happened one day that a guy early one morning came down here to this railroad track and he tried to hop a train, and his foot slipped or something happened, I'm not sure, but anyway he landed with his head right on where the tire, the wheel is, and it cut his head off and the tips of his fingers. We're almost there now. So if the other legend wasn't real, this one really is. A man really did get his head cut off. So I don't like coming down here either, especially stopping, but I will do it long enough to take this picture. Where we're here, and to the left of me is where his head got cut off. I'll pull right here. I can't hardly stand to get out, but let's see. So this is where it happened. The railroad track goes down this way, somewhere further towards Lewiston. But this is the other end of the railroad track that we just left. And just a few yards down there is where his head really got cut off. It was someone that I knew. I don't know why he tried to hop a train, but he's the only one who will ever know. But I got to get out of here because I don't like staying down here long. I'm going to take you now to another place where I saw that light. This is where that light comes down the railroad track too, but I saw another light when I was a grown girl, woman. It wasn't behind the railroad track. It was on the highway next to the railroad track. I'll take you there now.